It's a bright and sunny morning, and just like most weekends, my little one suddenly craved spaghetti. So that's what we're cooking for lunch today. For this recipe, I'm using simple, everyday ingredients. Minced garlic and onions, a bit of bell pepper, classic hot dogs, and Delimondo ranch-style corned beef. Seasoned with a touch of soy sauce, pepper, and made creamy with all-purpose cream and ketchup for that home-style color. Nothing fancy, just comforting, creamy spaghetti made with love. The kind that tastes like home.